Hey, welcome to my channel. Keeping your Intel chipset drivers updated is essential for optimal system performance and stability. In this video, I'll show you how to update Intel chipset drivers in Windows using the official Intel Driver and Support Assistant. First, open your browser and go to Intel's official support page. This is where you'll find the Intel Driver and Support Assistant, also known as Intel DSA. Link in description. Scroll down and click Download Intel Driver and Support Assistant. This tool will automatically detect and update your Intel drivers. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Accept the terms, click Next, and complete the installation. When done, restart your PC if required. Now open the Intel Driver and Support Assistant from the Start menu or System tray. It will launch in your default web browser. The tool will automatically scan your system and show available driver updates. If a chipset driver update is available, click Download and follow the instructions to install it. Once installed, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it! Your Intel chipset drivers are now up to date. This ensures better compatibility, security, and system performance. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing for more tech guides.